Get out of this creek. Get out of this creek. Well, picture. And it's but I didn't notice any other.
Hello, Peg. Hello, Cat.
Hello there, ridiculously sized neighbor lady Connie.
Connie's way too tall to find. But where is it? Same as in the photo. I can't find the 10th Hllilight Zone forever. I am totally freaking out.
2 weeks later.
No. Why, you're all right, but Stoller. The same mailbox and the car totally perfect, just the way they are. And if
Find a way.
wouldn't change a thing. Nope, not a single thing. Not the size of my bed, the shape of your head, or your smile's a natural bling. Yes, you better believe it. That's just